what's good, YouTube sneaker channel, Grizzly Sneaks / Grizzly Reacts. What's good? It's your boy Big Grizz, man, and we are back with another box opening. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to call these joints, cause I mean, y'all already know I'm getting some shoes, but y'all don't know what shoes. So we got 2 pairs of shoes came yesterday. I was supposed to do these yesterday, but I didn't. So y'all comment what y'all think these is before I open them up and all that joint, even though I know y'all not going to, but still we're gonna pretend. Y'all comment what y'all think these are. You know, these could be 4s or something else. But yeah, I caught these like a minute ago. So about to get into this sneaker vid. We got 2. I got 2 more shoes literally coming tomorrow. Yeah, they're coming tomorrow. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On the road to 100 subs, on the road to 5K on Grizzly Reacts. So y'all subscribe to both. Link will be in the description. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So let's get this box, man. So what we have here, Air Jordan 5 Retro, so it's 5 y'all didn't know. Colorway is black, new emerald, fire red. Size is USA 12. Retail is $200. As y'all can see, we got the eBay little tag right there. Yes, these came from eBay. Let's open these bad boys up. And right here, let me make sure I got the right. Okay, these are right here. We got the Jordan 5 top 3. We got the Jordan 5 top 3. Now, I had this shoe 2 times, bruh. 2 times. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had this shoe twice. I caught it the first time. Actually, the first time these came out, I hit on these. I don't know if y'all remember the video. I hit these on Finish Line. I hit up these on Finish Line, and yeah, I sold them. Like, I think the first time I sold these, I sold them for $250. Then I bought them again, rebought them, because I wanted them again. Like I said, I like these shoes. So I bought it again. Then something else happened again. Somebody wanted to pay me $260 for them, so I sold them. But this is the last time I am buying these. These are not getting sold. I told y'all on my sneaker channel, if y'all been watching, I'm no longer buying any of the shoes that I'm buying. For now on, the shoes that I'm copping, I am wearing, because I'm not just copping shoes just to have them in like a collection or for content. No, any shoe I'm copping, I'm wearing. We're not going to be one of them YouTubers that have a million shoes and then just never wear their shoes. Like, I get if you got a lot of shoes, of course you're not going to wear all of them, but all of my shoes I'm wearing without a fact. And here we go right here. Here they go. Get y'all a little closer look up on them. You know what I'm saying? This is the part that got me, the 23 in the black right here, honestly, and the Nike Air. Like, once I seen that Nike Air back there, it was so clean. I always wanted that on the back of one of my shoes. You know, of course, the 23, I always wanted that on one of my 5s. I think this is the best part about the Air Jordan 5 to me. You know what I'm saying? My favorite part. And then you got the lace lock with the Nike on it. This shit is hard. I like this. I just wish they take this off, but I think you can take this off actually. So I might take mine off, might leave it on. I don't know, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't really like 5s. I like that, like, not really. 5s isn't one of my favorite. You know, I got like 5 favorite silhouettes, which I'll tell y'all in the next vid. But so these is then, once again, got them from StockX. There goes the card again. I'll read it. Authentic without a doubt. Congratulations on adding another pair of sneakers to your collection. The enclosed pair has been meticulously inspected by a team of professional authenticators. To learn more about your sneakers authenticity, hold up your, which I actually did this time. I'm gonna do this for every video just to show y'all. So right here, like I said, we got the, oh damn, hold on, let me put these down quick. Let me put the blurriness up. We got the Air Jordan, what the 5s, Air Jordan top 5. As you can see, this is what happens when you put the QC link to your phone. But of course, my phone is too bright and all that BS. So this was authenticated on January 8th, 2021. Size 12, of course, new with box. And of course, if I wanted to sell, it has a ready to sell option where you can list them now, man. Make sure y'all shop with eBay sneakers. I actually fucking love it. I keep saying this every video, and no, they're not sponsored, bro. This is at least the I'm trying to think how many pairs I copped from them. Hold on, let me see, bro. I gotta see how many pairs of shoes I copped since they started doing the authenticity thing. I gotta show y'all. Okay, so I guess let's start with them. So I bought 7 pairs of shoes from eBay so far. 7 pairs with the authentication system, man. So far, it's been perfect. I had no problem. Of course, it's going to take some time for shipping because, you know what I'm saying, they offer the option for USPS, and usually that's what everybody picks because, of course, if you know, USPS is cheaper. So, of course, that's probably the only thing. It just takes a minute for, you know, of course, for them to get the shoe because you never know. The seller might wait a day or two. I've had sellers not ship out to like 3 days. I've had sellers sometimes 5. Not with these, but I'm talking about when I bought shoes before they did the authentication system on eBay. Sometimes you get somebody wait till like a week or so. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's probably the only bad thing I got to say about eBay. But other than that, it's perfect. It's fast. I love the fact that I could, you know, if I wanted to, could negotiate a price with a seller. I can actually see the shoe that I'm getting. You know what I'm saying? So I love that part about eBay. So yeah, man, I'm happy. We got 2 more shoes coming up next. And then this week, I'm copping 2 more shoes. Like I said, I got some shoes on my list that I need to get off before I start buying what releases this year, you know, 2021. I did not get them ones that came out, them yellow and Volt. I did not grab them. I just wasn't feeling them, and I knew I wasn't going to wear them. So next, I'm going to just tell y'all because y'all going to see it anyway. Next, I'm trying to get them UNC 3s, trying to get them Black Cat 4s, them Aqua 8s. I'm trying to get some more Yeezy V3s, 700s. Trying to get them Bread 4s and the Cap and Gown 11s. Once I get those, then shoes that come out this year, I'll tackle them, of course. But that's pretty much it for this sneaker vid. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all rock with these. If you got these in your collection, give you a little spin around once again of the shoe. That Nike Air. This is the part that I like the best, that Nike Air. You see the back. I don't know if I showed y'all this side, but yeah, man, good shoe, nice shoe. Can't wait to rock this. This is gonna get a lot of wears, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I just brought the Rejuvenator spray, so that's gonna help keep these in the game for a long time because I plan to wear these a lot. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for tapping into the vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. One more sneaker vid coming, and we out of here. Big Grizz.